Do we need to go save Jomo?
I don't need pepper lamp.
But we need to strike causes. Asinaxesha.
Divangaba mentino.
No, Brady. But newarka Jomo.
Maskatazi ngoJomo.
Brady, we need to save Jomo before bambulala abantu.
Asinawukazi uku-attack umzoko cause ixesha lingafika.
Then why don't we just forward the process?
Yazi into eyenzekayo ePearl Harbor?
No, Brady. Andiyazi uba kwenzeke ntoni ePearl Harbor.
Ama-Japan attack i-Americans ngo-7 ekuseni on a Sunday morning. Bafika besazonwaya. They never saw them coming.
Brady, ingenaphi le nto siyithethayo le nto ithethayo?
So attack umzoko cause njengama-Japan kuma-Americans.
Brady, ndiyayazi iplani, Jeba. Iplani bi-include uba uJomo abe lapha nathi kule nto siyenzayo.
Plans always change.
He could be dead, Brady.
Oh well.
Brady, we can't just carry on ingathi akho nto eyenzekileyo apha.
That's exactly what we are going to do.
You know what's annoying is that Jomo was there for you when he needed it.
Azikhethelalo.
He did everything emandleni yakhe, Brady. Everything emandleni yakhe to make sure that we're right. When I wakhetha umjulelo ezinjeni.
Alekho ixesha lokuhlangulana noJomo kwangoku. Senokwenza kubufile kade.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I thought we were family, Brady.
Ngamalo ngichaza ngo. Cela ngisho. For our sake, I hope the boy doesn't crack.
Akamjaji them.
Whoa. How? Ngoba kuthiwa banibona nobabili nje.
Neleka. Neleka akamjaji nami. Akamjaji.
Awamanga lawo. Ungikhulumela amanga mfana. Kahle kamfana. Ngangibona. Siqaqaqaqa. Belinyawo lakhe lawo.
Abe. Ke tla botsa lo ka.
Oh God.
Ke tla botsa diamond ka.
Usivumile izono lo. Shaka, setshonza kanjena ke mfana.
Oh. Ngempela.
Ya, sebenza imino nobhozo.
Oh, kodwa ngokubona kwami mina bhuvungane sikwazela usola ukuthi umuzi kaDiamond ukepha ngithi.
Goga.
If the information is correct.
I-right information wena.
Madoda. Usho kahle. But lapha endlini umuntu esomthola sivithola uDiamond, sithola le ntombazana ngithi. Ngicela sihambe.
Banihlola bafana. Banihlola yabo. Yebo. Hayi ungihlole lo. Ngomoni lo. Kunjani soni? Ukhalelani ngakakuthini?